Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show how to set up Metapixel and Conversion API. For this, at first we have to install a plugin. We will go to the plugin option and we will click Add Plugin. We need Pixel Your Site plugin. We will install this Pixel Your Site by Pixel Your Site install. After installing, we will activate. After activate, we will go to Add Manager. From Add Manager, we will go to the Event Manager. From Event Manager, we will go to the Connect Data. There we will get some source, web, app, offline, CRM, messaging. In this video, I will show website. That's why I'll click on web, then click on next. Then we will create a new data set. Then we will write a name. Then create. We'll click on next. We will get some option, setup option. From this we will click on setup manually. We'll click on next. Then we will get some option what we want, conversion API and metapixel or just metapixel. We will click on conversion API and metapixel. Then next, instruction, conversion API, metapixel. We will start with conversion API setup. We will click on this, then ignore this, then we will go continue. Then we can choose what our website about: e-commerce and retail, entertainment and media, education, real estate, technology. Suppose our website is about e-commerce. That's why we'll click on this. Then we will get some event. What we can choose what events we need. Suppose in this video we will click select some events such as view content, add to cart, contact. Then we will click on continue, but whatever you need you can choose from here. We'll click on next. Then from the previous part we chose 3 events. We can see 3 events from here: add to cart, contact and view contact. At first we will click on first. We will see a option event detail parameter and we have to check base practice. We have to select event ID, phone, email and IP address. For this we will go to the below and click event ID, client IP address, phone, then email. Then we can show base our selected. Then we'll go to second option, contact. We have to do same again, event ID, client IP, phone or email. Then we will go the last option, view contact. We have to do same thing again, event ID, phone, email. After choosing event from all of the section, we'll go to the continue. We can see here we can now continue. Now we can see 2 options: see instruction, send instruction or manually implement the API yourself. We will click on open implemented guide. After coming this section, we will go below. We can find generate access token. We have to collect this token. We'll click on this. Then we have to our dataset. In this dataset, our dataset name learn pixel with me. We'll click on this and click on generate token. We will click on, we have to copy this code. Then we will go to our website and plugin. We will go to the PageView site plugin. After coming plugin, we will have to select these pixel IDs. Then we will get some option, your metapixel, your Google Analytics. For the metapixel, we will click on this. We get some option, enable conversion API, enable advanced matching. We have to click on these two options. Then this code we will copy and select this conversion API and paste on this. After pasting conversion API, we will go again in the event manager. Then we will go below. Then click on finish option. Now we will go to the business settings. We will get a option brand and safety. From this we will click on domain. We will click our website domain here. We will get two options, website, what you want to do, create domain, request access to domain. We'll click on create a domain. We will give our website domain here. We will delete our website https, just website domain. Then we'll click on add. After adding, we will get a copy this meta tag option. We will copy this code, then copy. Then we'll go to the website metapixel plugin again. Then below we'll find the verify your domain. We'll click on this and paste our code. Now we have to go to our events. Then we have to click this ID metapixel with me, this ID, and metapixel plugin. We will get a option metapixel ID. We will paste here. Now we will go to below. Now we will click on save changes. We can see our domain is still not verified. It can take some time. We can see. Now can we see our domains is verified. We can see our pixel is set up, and after sometimes it will start to getting data if we want